Hello everyone, I am Suman Shah from BISP Solution. Today topic is mass addition of fixed assets. We will discuss the process flow of fixed assets from payables. The first step, we will create a standard invoice and selecting the asset clearing as a distribution combination. Then we will validate the invoice and create accounting by post to ledger. And then we will submit mass addition from payables. In asset model, we will prepare source line and update critical information such as service date, category, location, asset key, etc. And then run the post mass addition process. After that, we will inquire the asset, check the financials, and start depreciating the asset and do asset accounting. So now we will move to application, how the tasks are performed. Now in application, we will navigate the payables. In payables, we will select invoice workbench. From task panel, we will create invoice. We will select our supplier. In source line, we will select as asset clearing. Now we will validate the invoice. Now is validated. Now we will do accounting by post to ledger. Asset clearing is debit and accounts payable is credit. So and close. Task panel, we will create mass addition. We will select this date and our book, and submit. This process will trigger the information on payables to asset interface table. Check to schedule processes. Running. Refresh. Succeeded now. Waiting for sufficient report. Succeeded. Now we will go to asset workbench. You can see in infolet one asset is incomplete. We will through task panel. We will select prepare source line. We'll select new and search. Select the line and edit. And select the service date. Say today is 13. So I put it in Feb, 1st of Feb. I define my category. As a scanner. I define my location. Atlanta office. Total number is 5. Number of unit is 5. I will queue as post and 7 rows. Search, again search, the queue as post. By selecting the asset, selecting the line, I will post all. This will trigger a post mass addition process through which the data will import from asset interface table to asset base table. Schedule processes, we can view the processes which are running. We can check by navigating to asset inquiry. See, the our asset has been added. The asset number is there, the description, the cost, the salvage value, and the recoverable cost. And the service date is 1st of Feb. The category is scanner. We click the asset number. We'll see the depreciation of February has been calculated, and the asset cost is 71175, and the book value is 69494.48. Now we will calculate depreciation of current period, that is of March. Total number is 5, and the source line, you can see the source line is coming from payables. Now we will calculate the depreciation, and we will do asset accounting. We will navigate to asset workbench. We will calculate depreciation. This will trigger the depreciation calculation. Then we will do accounting by submitting create accounting. Select our book. The open period is 31st March. And the general batch, I would say March. Now, to schedule processes. Let's see, create accounting. Create accounting process is running for asset. We'll refresh until the status is succeeded. Still running. Now it has been succeeded. Now we will acquire our asset, the asset inquiry. see whether the depreciation of March has been calculated. See the depreciation of current period, that is March, has been calculated, and we can view accounting also. The depreciation expenses account debited and accumulated depreciation is credited. And we can view the accounting. Cost of asset is debited, depreciation expenses is debited, cost of clearing is credited, so as the and accumulated depreciation is credited. So by this is all about the topic of mass addition of fixed assets from paybooks. Thank you.